Good day, James. Welcome to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and leave us some likes and some comments if you haven't done so. Today I'll be doing the Huddle landing page with a single introductory section. So without wasting time, guys, let's get on to the work. So as you can see, I've already downloaded the starter pack. It's now inside my code editor, which I'll be using Sublime Text. So without wasting time, let's get on to the challenge. First of all, I'm going to create a main. Then inside the main, I'm going to have a div class. I'll call it main body. Just make our code look smarter. Let me just space in between. Now I'm going to create I'm going to insert the logo. Let me give it a class name of logo image. We need a source of our image. So let's see, source inside the images folder. We got logo.svg. Now nextly, I'm going to insert a block called parent block. If dot parent block. Let's have from our design, we can see that there's an image to the left side. This is the image that we want to insert. So let me put inside a div dot image block. Image dot main image, that's the class name, and I need the source inside the images folder. Let me collect the name, paste it there, escape. Now we're going for the text, so I'll create a div and I'll call it text block. We'll start off. Okay, let me remove some unnecessary spacing. We need h2 text for heading, paragraph text, let's take a look at the progress that we have made. Let's open inside a browser. Okay, there it is. Don't worry about the logo, it will come out visible when we change the background color. So now I want to insert the font icons. Just here. Okay, we want to insert the font icons as per the challenge. There are some font icons at the bottom. div, let me call it icons. Now let's start off. Let's go on to, I'll show you how to insert font icons. Now that we have copied the font icons, downloaded it, so now we need to insert the icons. So what you need to do is to go to the website and find some font icons. Facebook, let's take Twitter. There it is. Copy it. Instagram. There it is. You copy it. Remember, we need to create a link for styling as well as the newly created. Let's have a link for the web fonts, CSS style folder. There we have it, the one that we all mean. That's CSS. Now let's take a look at the progress that we have made. Oh yes, there they are, the icons. Now we are done with the HTML. We now need to create another new file. In CSS, this is our styling file. Let's link it here. Now let's start styling. I'm going to start with the body. Let's set the margin to the center, heading to the center. box sizing, border box, background color, violet white. Let's take a look inside our style guide. Let's save a background image, URL, images folder slash. This is the one that we want, bg slash mobile. This one will be our default image. Background repeat, no repeat. Background size, contain, font weight. Let me set it 600. Color, let's give it white. Now I need to copy the class names so that I avoid any errors. Now let's start the main body. Box sizing, border box, margin, 8VH auto, width, let's say if it's maximum of 300 pixels, for 60%. Let's down next our image, our parent block. We're going to start the logo image, and for now let me set the maximum width to 12 frames. 12 frames. Let's have a padding of 0 to the top, to the right side 0, to the bottom 3 frames, and then to the left 0. Display, for the oil I was just say display grid. Box sizing, border box. Let me have some grid template areas of 1, 2. Let's take a look at the progress that we have made. Or you can see the progress that we are making on mobile view. Now, I'm going to start with the image block. Let me set the grid area to 1. Nextly, we're going to start with the main image maximum width of 100%. text align to the center. Print area 2. Now let's take a look at the progress that we have made. Oh yes, now I'm going to style the text, this one that you see underneath with the heading, a paragraph and a button, as well as some icons. So I'll start off with the H2 text. H2 text. Let me adjust the font weight and the font size. So I'll set the font weight to 600. Font size, I'll give it 1,5 rems. Then let me style the paragraph. Font size of 1 rem. Now we're going to style the button, which is very critical. Let me say display block width of 12 rems. Margin 30 pixels from the top to the left, to the right side, auto from the bottom, 80 pixels. Background color of white, color violet is collected from this one, color from the text. Now I'm going to style the border radius. Border radius, I'll set it to 50 pixels. Border style, none. Padding 10 pixels and 0. Icons text align to the center. Now let's take a look at the progress that we have made. Yes, these are the progress. Now I'm going to style I want a space between the icons, so let me style the icons. Let me start under the class name FA brands. Let me put a padding of 10 pixels all over on all sides. Let's take a look. Yes, that's the spaces. That is okay. Let me look from the design. Okay, it seems like the space is a bit larger, so let me improve it. Let me set it to 20, and let's take a look at the progress. Okay, this browser can be closed. Yes, this is the styling that I wanted. Let me increase the size of our icons. For me to do that, all I can do is just to increase the size. Just come in add FA 2x like this. Then you just have to copy it. Let's take a look at, yes, they have enlarged our icons. So this is for the mobile view. For the mobile view, I also want to style on the button on hover. So I need to do that. Let's get into our style sheet. button on hover. Let's have the background color change to magenta. So inside our style guide, yes, this is the one that I want, so just paste it there. And I also want the color to change to be white. Cursor pointer. Now I want for the class name on hover, I want it to change. FA brands on hover, I want it to change as well. We want the background color to change. I want the color of the text to change to magenta on hover. We want the cursor, the pointer. Now I'm going to change the. Now I'm going for the responsiveness of our design. Responsiveness section. Let me use the media queries. Hit media. Minimum width 600 pixels. Copy that one. Media 1200. Now we start off by making some adjustments on light screen for the body. I want the background image to change. URL inside the image is folder /pg desktop.svg. Background no repeats, background size, cover. Let's start also the .logo image. Let's set the maximum width to 15 rems. Main body. Let's set the width to 90 VW. Parent block. I'm going to make some changes as well. I want to leave a gap of 2 rems. Then importantly, grid template areas of 1, 1, 2. Let's take a look at the changes that we have applied. Okay, these are the changes as you can see on desktop view. Then dot text block. Let's align our image text align to the left. Okay, there is it. Let's say for the button, I'm going to change on the margins only. So let me set the margin to 30 pixels to the top. To the right side, I want it to be autoed. Then from the bottom, I want 80 pixels. Then from the left side, I want 0. There it is. Then dot icons. I want the text align to be right. Yes, there you can see they are the changes that are coming. Now we go on styling for our, let's remove this unnecessary spacing. Go on styling for a large screens of 1200 pixels. I'm just going to take, I'm not going to change on this one, the body properties. Then also I want this one, copy. Let me just reduce on the width to 85. Parent block gap, I'm going to collect the same properties. Let's put 3. Now let's also have this one. Now for the button as well. Let's add padding properties. 15 pixels, top and bottom, and 0. Text align, icons, I want it. And then lastly, I'm going to put some, I'm going to style H2 tags, font size. Let me give it to a larger one, 2.5 rems. Then for the paragraph as well as the button, I'm going to increase the font size to 1.2 rems. Yes, there it is. Let's take a look at, yes. So this is the challenge that we have, and it has been successfully completed. Thank you for watching.